Hello! We're gonna make wax canvas in this video. So, hope you like it. It's easy, it's fun, and you don't need that much, and you can use wax fabric for a lot of things. Don't forget to subscribe below, and see you! So, what you need is something to melt the things in. I got this slow cooker for about 30 euros. You can use, of course, a normal pan and an extra plate. You need beeswax. I got this from a local dealer. This comes in different shapes and forms. And of course you need paraffin. And also this comes in different shapes and forms. So then I weigh the paraffin and the beeswax. It doesn't matter. My mixture is 50-50. I think it works just fine. So I just see that I have approximately the same thing. So it's not that necessary that it's exact. And when you're done, just stuff it in that pan and put on full effect. Depending on what power you have, it takes about 40 minutes. Don't put your finger in because it hurts. And when it's done, it should look something like this. And then it's ready to apply on the fabric. Then I lay out the fabric flat. I double fold it because otherwise you lose a lot of wax because the wax goes through the fabric. So then it's time to apply the wax. And there are two ways to do this. Either you use a brush and just apply it as even as possible, or you can use a painting roller as I do here. If you have a lot of fabric to wax, it's much faster. But I recommend you use a smaller roller because it doesn't take that much wax. I think it will be a better result if you do that. So now it's time to melt the wax into the fabric. Use an old iron. I suggest you buy one from second hand or something. And then you just iron on until it's even. And all the wax is melted into the fabric. Another way to do it is to buy an old dryer, like I did, from the second hand. It gets more even when you use this. Just put it on 1 hour and just hope it starts. Sometimes second hand is second hand, could be some, But anyway, then you just have to wait and take some time. But it's part of the fun. So when you're done, you just take the fabric out and you have to fold it. So it gets flat and nice, and you're done with the waxing. You're finished. You made it.